Hey there, if you're having trouble with the HVCI enabled error while trying to play Valorant on Windows 11, don't worry. I've got a simple guide for you to follow to get you back in the game quickly. Before we jump into it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you found this helpful. Let's get started. First, let's tackle this from your desktop. Go ahead and click the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen. From here, open the settings. If you don't see it right away, just type settings in the search box. Once you're in settings, head over to privacy and security. Now click on Windows Security and look for device security. You'll see an option called Core Isolation Details, and here you'll want to disable the memory integrity setting. After that, restart your PC to apply the changes. If that didn't do the trick, we're going to need to check your BIOS settings. This part varies a bit depending on your PC, but once you're in BIOS, look for a setting called SVM mode or virtualization. Make sure it's turned on. This allows your CPU to fully support virtualization and should fix the issue. Once that's enabled, save your settings and restart your computer again. And that's it. Hopefully these steps will help you get past the HVCI error and back into Valorant. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.